Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're adding this animated review banner section to your store, and honestly, it's such a fun way to display a customer review. With these floating, decorative icons animating gently around it, it instantly grabs attention without feeling too busy. It's a great mix of social proof and personality, so let's not waste any time and jump straight into how to add it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This will take you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we need to search for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that's going to make building your store so much easier. Open it and install it. The installation process is really simple, just like any other Shopify app. After the installation, go to the Explore Sections tab of this app and search for Test. You'll only find one section with this name here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details about this section are listed right below. Feel free to read through them if you'd like. I've already purchased this section, so I'll close this and click on My Sections on the left side. And here's the section. Now click on Customize and choose your favorite theme. After a second, the section has been installed successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer, and once it loads, simply click on Add Section and search for Test and choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. Customizing this is incredibly simple and easy, but the impact it makes is just as big. First, let's scroll through and see what all we can customize here. This is amazing. Literally everything here is customizable. First, let's change the background color, and let's also change this card's color to black. And now the most important part, these images floating around the side of the card. I'll add 2 images here, like this, and you can showcase your own best-selling products right in this spot. Now that the images are added, let's see what else we can change. Let's change the color of this zigzag bar to black as well, and let's see what other options are available. Let's also try changing the heading to Subscribe. After making all these changes, let's close this out, and from here you can select any slide and customize it directly. You don't even have to wait for it to scroll into view. Just select any slide and it can be customized right away. Once you've adjusted the colors, headings, and images, and it starts feeling like it matches your store's theme and color scheme, just hit the Save button. The section has been added to your store, and now let's check it out in view mode. Here's the section we've added today. Let me know in the comments how this section looks on your end. I read every single comment and I'm always happy to help. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to drop a like too.